Hey everyone, welcome back to DKAI Guide. I'm Deepak and today we are going to understand one of the most confusing but important topics, machine learning versus artificial intelligence. Most people think both are the same, but actually they are not. So let's clear this up in a simple and easy way. First, let's start with artificial intelligence or AI. AI is a broad field of computer science that focus on making machine think, learn, and act like humans. In simple words, AI means giving human-like intelligence to machine. It includes many areas such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, and even creativity. Let's take some examples. ChatGPT can talk to you and write content. That's AI. Alexa listens and reacts to your voice. That's AI. Tesla's self-driving car takes real-time driving decisions. That's also AI.
Chapter 2.
Now let's talk about machine learning or ML. Machine learning is actually a subset of AI. It's one of the main way we achieve artificial intelligence. Instead of manually programming a machine for every single task, we train it with data and it automatically learns patterns, rules, and relationships from the data. For example, if we show a system thousands of cat and dog pictures, it learns the patterns and later predicts whether a new image is a cat or a dog all by itself. That's the power of machine learning.
Chapter 3.
Let's talk about how they are connected. Artificial intelligence is the goal to build a smart system. Machine learning is the method to achieve that goal. So AI is the big umbrella and ML is a part of it. And inside ML, we also have deep learning, which is an advanced type of ML that uses neural networks. Example, a self-driving car is an AI system, but the feature that helps it recognize traffic light or pedestrian is machine learning.
Chapter 4.
YouTube recommending, ChatGPT chatting, Spotify recognizing. That's a mix of both AI and ML working together. So now you know the difference. Artificial intelligence is the big picture, and machine learning is one way to make that picture real. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to DKAI Guide for more awesome videos on AI tech and future learning. See you in the next one. Stay curious, stay smart.